Hello, namaskar everyone. Welcome to the Big Breaking. My name is Pooja Divedi. West Bengal Assembly has recently passed a resolution to mark 15th of April as Bengal Day. Earlier, we were witnessing 20th of June to be the day on which the statehood of Bengal was being observed. The BJP, however, says that it is not going to accept it because she is distorting history. Similarly, Mamata Banerjee made the same allegation that BJP is trying to politicize on this particular date. So what is wrong with this date? Why did she choose 15th of April to be the Bengal Day? We'll get into that. Telegram channel by the name of Pooja Divedi UPSC. I provide all the important PDFs that I used to take here on this particular channel. You can become a part of this. Other than this, you can also join my Instagram. Moving on. This resolution was passed with 167 members out of 294 members voting in favor of it, while 62 MLAs from BJP voted against this. There was just one lone ISF MLA that abstained. The BJP wants to observe 20th of June, which is the day that was on which the Bengal Assembly voted in favor of partition. So this is the actual problem that Mamata Banerjee, the CM of West Bengal, is saying that she has, that it rekindles the pain of partition. As per the details, a resolution under Rule 169 was tabled in the Assembly, which proposes that Poila Baisakh, which is the first day of the Bengali New Year, as Bangla Divas. Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore's song Banglar Mat, Banglar Jol, that is the soil of Bengal or the water of Bengal. This is going to be the state song. It's a patriotic song which was penned by Rabindranath Tagore ji when Bengal was getting bifurcated. This particular movement took place, Bang Bhangarodh movement. In order to show support for the unity of Bengal, this song was penned down. BJP is distorting history, Bengal's history. Will oppose June 20th as State Foundation Day. This was said by Mamata Banerjee. So that is why this particular move, we have a background of it. The background is such that the partition of Bengal was done through the Radcliffe Award, which was legitimized by the colonial government. So June 20, according to her, should not be the state day of Bengal because it's a painful episode in the state's history. See, June 20th, 1947 was the day when the Bengal Legislative Assembly was convened in order to decide do they want to join India or Pakistan. So, this was the basic question. The Bengal Legislative Assembly voted in favor of partition and thereafter the creation of Bangladesh. However, the Hindu majority population started residing in the remnant part, now West Bengal. So, this is the history of this particular date. Over the years, this day evolved. In 2014, the event was commemorated for the very first time by a forum called as Paschim Bangir Janya, and they credited Shyama Prasad Mukherjee for the creation of West Bengal. In 2017, the Bengali fortnightly Samakal Darpan advocated for the commemoration. In 2018, the Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Research Foundation decided to celebrate Paschim Banga Divas across the state. So we saw in 2023 there was heavy opposition by the Mamata Banerjee government against this particular day. Still it got celebrated. Now she says that even if the governor does not pass this particular, does not give assent to this resolution, this state will continue to celebrate 15th of April instead of 20th of June as the statehood day.